Hello, my friend and fellow traders. Will here. We're to XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So, the end of another what's been a great week trading in the Forex markets. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the results we got this week, and especially the result of the free trade I gave last week on the Aussie Kiwi. That is the AUD NZD pair, in case you don't know. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so let's get into the nitty and gritty of the video. So it has been, like I said, a fantastic trading week. We had one stop out, and the rest of the trades, we currently got two trades still open, but the rest of the trades that we closed have been very, very nicely. So I'll just hide my mug here, and let's have a look. Okay, as you know, this week I released the new Forex Pro dashboard, which really helps me with my overall analysis, finding the best pairs to trade. So, the trade I want to look at first is, we'll just have a look at the chart, the results here from this week. Okay, so a couple of things to point out first. Personally, I did not get the British pound Swiss franc. That trade happened an hour after the open, and I'm in Thailand, so that would have been 5 a.m. in the morning. I usually get up about 6, so I actually missed out on that opportunity. Many in the trading group got that signal service. We had a nice trade yesterday evening on the British pound Kiwi, popped up 100 pips and still running nicely. Did have a stop out on the British pound Aussie, and personally I did take that again and got stopped out again, so I got stopped out twice in that this week, but I had a few other nice day trades that made up for that. Okay, so trade of the week was the Euro Swiss franc. That was over and done with on Tuesday. So it was. I still currently have the Euro GDP open. I may close that very soon. It's running at a 40 pip profit so far. And Euro Aussie, we closed that on Tuesday also for 60 pips. And Aussie Kiwi, you see we closed it on Wednesday for an 80 pip profit, which was a nice drop. And if you watched last week's video, we can recap that below. Was a really nice setup, and like I said, I was expecting it to drop from the open on Monday, and we'll just have a look at the charts and see how it went. Okay, so Aussie Kiwi, there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to put on a different template here. Okay, there we go. Like I said, you can see, I'm just going to move this in EA off the. Okay, so like I said last week in last week's video, we were at this weekly area here. Now, like I said, I could have said it was going to be 100% sure that we're going to drop it. In trading, nothing's ever 100%. Okay, so I was 99.9% sure on Monday that this was going to drop last week, and that's why I sent it out as a free signal. And just basically because you can see the resistance here, the price zones here on the weekly charts. So higher time frame governs the lowers, and these areas get very strong reactions when they're hit. So you can see this first hit here, and you got this initial reaction here. We're getting a reaction here. Okay, like I said, if you're still in this trade and you took it for a longer term, I'm liking this to continue down to this weekly area here. Okay, where you could possibly get a buying opportunity to ride this trend back up to the top of the monthly trading zone. Okay, and we'll look at the monthly area now. Okay, you can see this is going to be the top of the monthly, and like I said last week, this pair is ranging from here down to here. Just drawing the lines. Trying not to have too many lines on my chart. I like my charts clean. As you can see, maybe retrace down a bit and then rally back up towards the top of the range over the coming months. So watch that closely. Now, if we zoom into the lower time frames, I want to actually show you the actual signal. I know I entered this as a pending order. I did tell you last week either enter when the market opens or wait for a divergence signal to happen. And if you don't know what a divergence signal is, there is a link below where you can grab this free indicator. So if you're new to my channel, okay, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 days ago, Monday, we actually got, like I said, I was expecting, this was the end of last week, said in last week's video, I would be expecting a divergence signal to happen. The divergence signal happened on the open on Monday, more or less, and there you can see, we had another divergence trade on Tuesday, and it does plummeted all week. You can see it's right down. We actually got out around here. So we did on Tuesday, and it's continued, went down a bit further, went down towards 107. And I was happy with the 80 pips on Tuesday, and especially after getting a huge trade on Euro Swiss franc. If you want to have a look at this trade, Euro Swiss franc was an absolute belt there. Dun, dun, dun. Connection's a bit slow today for some reason. Dun, dun, dun. Connection slow. Okay, so just had to restart my Wi-Fi there. I'm not sure what happened. Oh, delete that. Don't know what I did there. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay. Euro Swiss franc was a buy trade this week, and you can see, let's get the signal profile up. This is okay. I do not know what's wrong with today. This is, there we go. Better. Dun, dun, dun. Get the signal profile up. Okay, just remove that so we can get all in people. Okay, so this was I've been expecting this for quite a few weeks this year. Euro Swiss franc has been on my weekly trade list for like 4 or 5 weeks at the same price. 105, I was liking this for a rally up. And we got that on Monday. We finally got see at the end of last week, you got the daily divergence. You can see it's nice, this nice grinding pattern here. Market's dropping hard and it's just putting on the brakes. And then on Monday, we got this huge spike up. And that was, I actually closed this on Monday. We actually closed this at 106,500. It was a great trade. See it just, boom, absolutely took off on Monday. So that was actually trade of the week, Euro Swiss franc, and it was a fantastic one. Okay, so I will do the rest of the recap tomorrow when the rest of the trades are finished, but it has been a great week, fantastic week. I hope you took the Aussie Kiwi trade and bagged some pips. So if you want to access our signal service and be ready for next week, you can click the link below. Also, don't forget we have the new Forex Pro dashboard that is on offer at the minute. It's a very, very powerful indicator. It took me months of coding, and it instantly analyzes the full Forex market, allows you to instantly see the best trades, critical turning points in the market, and critical levels. So really, really cool indicator. The access it, just click the link in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. So have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.